Clearly filtered water filters boast advanced technology and impressive certifications, but do they deliver where it counts? We analyze the clearly filtered reviews, the science, and the results to help you decide if these popular water filters are the right choice for your home. Links to the best deals for each clearly filtered water filter are in the description box below. The clearly filtered 24-ounce Tritan bottle is an excellent companion for those who want access to clean filtered water wherever life takes them. Crafted from medical-grade Tritan, this bottle is free from BPA, BPS, phthalates, and other hormone-disrupting chemicals, giving users peace of mind with every sip. The 24-ounce capacity is ideal for daily hydration, whether you're at the gym, in the office, or exploring the outdoors. Its lightweight design and ergonomic shape make it easy to carry, while the leak-proof lid ensures that your bag stays dry, no matter how active your day gets. What truly sets this bottle apart is its advanced filtration system. The integrated filter uses Clearly Filtered's proprietary Affinity filtration technology, which is independently tested to remove up to 99.9% of over 220 contaminants, including chlorine, lead, fluoride, PFAS, and pharmaceutical residues. Unlike many portable filters that only improve taste, this bottle goes much further, addressing invisible threats that can impact your health. The filtration process preserves essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, so your water remains both clean and naturally refreshing. The filter is designed for longevity, with a lifespan of up to 25 gallons, which translates to about 2 months of regular use before needing a replacement. Swapping out the filter is simple and mess-free, ensuring you can maintain optimal filtration with minimal effort. Next up in my Clearly Filtered review, we have the Clearly Filtered Universal Fridge Filter, which is a game changer for anyone who wants to upgrade their refrigerator's water and ice without the hassle of specialized or proprietary cartridges. Designed to fit seamlessly into most standard fridge filter housings, this universal filter brings the power of Clearly Filtered's Affinity filtration technology directly to your kitchen. It's independently tested to remove up to 99.9% of over 230 contaminants, including chlorine, lead, fluoride, PFAS, pesticides, and even trace pharmaceuticals, far surpassing the capabilities of most OEM filters. One of the major benefits of this filter is its compatibility and ease of installation. Whether your fridge uses a push, twist, or inline filter, the universal fridge filter is engineered for a straightforward swap, often taking just minutes without any tools. This means you can continue to enjoy filtered water and ice directly from your refrigerator dispenser, with the added assurance that you're protected from a much broader range of contaminants. The filter's extended lifespan, typically 6 months or 365 gallons, means fewer replacements and less maintenance, making it a convenient choice for busy households. The high flow rate ensures that you won't notice any drop in water pressure, so filling pitchers or glasses remains quick and easy. The filter is constructed from BPA and BPS-free materials, ensuring that your water stays pure from start to finish. Next up in my Clearly Filtered water filter review, we have the Clearly Filtered Insulated Stainless Steel Filtered Water Bottle, which brings together premium build quality and advanced filtration for those who demand the best in portable hydration. Crafted from durable 18, 8 stainless steel, the double-walled construction keeps your water cold for hours, making it perfect for workouts, travel, or long days at the office. Inside, the bottle features Clearly Filtered's signature Affinity filtration technology, which is independently tested to remove up to 99.9% of over 220 contaminants, including chlorine, lead, fluoride, PFAS, and even glyphosate. Unlike many filtered bottles that only address taste and odor, this system tackles a wide spectrum of health-related impurities, providing real protection from the invisible threats found in tap water. Importantly, it retains beneficial minerals, so your water remains both healthy and pleasant to drink. The filter is rated for 25 gallons of use, which typically lasts 1 to 2 months, depending on your hydration habits. Replacing the filter is a quick and easy process, ensuring you always have access to clean water without fuss. The bottle's BPA, BPS, and phthalate-free construction means you never have to worry about chemicals leaching into your water, even on hot days. Next up in my Clearly Filtered Reviews Roundup is the popular Clearly Filtered Clean Water Pitcherr, which stands out as one of the most powerful and convenient home water filtration solutions available today. With a capacity of 80 ounces, 10 cups, it's designed to meet the hydration needs of individuals and families alike, while fitting comfortably in most refrigerator doors. The Pitcherr is made from 100% BPA and BPS-free medical-grade Tritan, ensuring that your water remains uncontaminated from plastics and other chemicals. At the heart of the Pitcherr is Clearly Filtered's advanced Affinity filtration technology, independently tested to remove up to 99.9% of over 365 contaminants. This includes not only common culprits like chlorine, lead, and fluoride, but also PFAS, arsenic, nitrates, pharmaceuticals, and even microplastics, far exceeding the capabilities of most mainstream Pitcherr filters. The filtration process is designed to leave beneficial minerals intact, so your water is not only safe, but also naturally balanced and great tasting. Each filter lasts for 100 gallons, which typically equates to about 4 months of regular use for a household. The Pitcherr's fast filtration speed means you won't be left waiting for clean water, and the ergonomic handle makes pouring easy and spill-free. Ultimately, the Clearly Filtered Clean Water Pitcherr offers the freedom to enjoy truly clean, crisp water straight from the tap, without installation or plumbing. The dramatic improvement in taste and clarity is immediately noticeable, and the comprehensive contaminant removal provides peace of mind for families, renters, and anyone concerned about the quality of their tap water. It's a practical, cost-effective, and eco-friendly alternative to bottled water, supporting both health and sustainability. Moving on, the Clearly Filtered 3-stage under-the-sink water filter system is the ultimate solution for those seeking robust, long-term protection from a wide range of water contaminants. Designed for easy DIY installation, this system fits discreetly under your sink and connects directly to your cold water line. No need for a separate faucet. The unit is constructed from medical-grade, BPA, and BPS-free materials, ensuring that your filtered water remains pure from start to finish. The 3-stage filtration process employs Clearly Filtered's proprietary Affinity filtration technology, independently tested to remove up to 99.99% of over 232 contaminants, including chlorine, fluoride, lead, PFAS, chromium-6, and pharmaceutical residues. Unlike many undersink systems that only address taste and odor, this filter targets invisible threats linked to cancer, reproductive issues, and other health concerns while preserving essential minerals for optimal hydration. The filters are engineered for durability, with a typical lifespan of 1 year per set, reducing the frequency and cost of replacements. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a wrench and about 10 minutes of your time. The compact design saves valuable cabinet space, and the robust stainless steel braided lines ensure a secure, leak-free connection. The system is compatible with any sink, making it an excellent choice for both homeowners and renters who want a portable, high-performance upgrade. As the thousands of positive reviews make clear, the Clearly Filtered 3-stage under-the-sink water filter system delivers water that is exceptionally clean, safe, and great tasting, right from the tap. The convenience of a once-a-year filter change and the assurance of comprehensive contaminant removal make this system a standout for anyone serious about water quality. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or simply enjoying a glass of water, you can trust that every drop is filtered to the highest standard, supporting your family's health and well-being every day. Thanks for watching my Clearly Filtered Reviews Roundup. If you want to check out any of these filters, I've included all the best prices and deals in the description box. Here's to cleaner, safer water in your home.